Hey guys, Richard here from the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to talk to you about a product called High Ticket Siphon. Now in a nutshell, this is the way that you can find broken links in YouTube and then siphon away the traffic to your own offers. Now in this review I'm going to take you through the actual members area, take you through all of the various components of this, and then I'll take you back to the sales page. We'll go through the sales page in a little bit of detail, and I'll also show you all of the OTOs so that you understand exactly what you're buying here. So guys, as usual, this review is based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of my reviews is that you get a more informed decision before you go ahead and buy any kind of software online. So this product comes from Brendan Mace. It's already out. I'm kind of a little bit late with this review, but I wanted to give you my opinion just so you understand exactly what you're going to be purchasing here. So just before we start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, please go ahead, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, just a few very brief headlines to the sales page, and I will come back to it. It says you're seconds away from hijacking 200,000 to 1 million plus visitors instantly and turning free traffic into high ticket commissions. And it says you can get unlimited traffic, it's beginner friendly, and you get huge commissions. So let me just jump over to the members area. So just a very quick overview. You've got the training here, you've got keyword research tool here, you've got domain search here, which is where you actually go and find the broken links. You have your campaigns here, you've got some big money pages here, which is actually their products if you get the done for you big money pages, but you can add your own, and then you've got support here. So that's the main interface. Now the training is fine. You go through the training, and basically it's 3 videos. One is how to actually search for broken domains. Second one is how to go ahead and buy those domains, and the third one is how to use those domains and redirect them to your particular offers. They call it money pages, but you can redirect these domains anywhere. Could be a squeeze page, could be a webinar, could be whatever you want to do, right? Does it work? Absolutely, yes, it does work. But the problem is, to me, it's a little bit dishonest and a little bit unethical, if I'm being honest. I don't like this tactic at all. Some folks like it. But basically what you are doing is you're finding big videos really with lots of traffic that just happen to have some form of broken link in them. So a lot of the links you actually find are kind of extensions of the main website. So you could have a page, for instance, that was added to a website that they no longer use that particular page, and you'll find the website / the page as a broken link. But you're still not allowed to go ahead and use that, obviously, and you wouldn't be able to purchase it anyway, because the website's still being owned by them. So what you end up doing a lot of the times when you're doing this kind of tactic is you will spend hours trying to find a broken domain that's actually useful that you can go ahead and purchase. It is very hard to kind of find really good ones that you can use. So keyword research tool seems to work fine. You come in here and you just put any old keyword in here, and it'll find you some longer tail keywords that you can go ahead and use. And that's fine. It's obviously dragging these off various platforms for you, and you can use these to actually search for domains. In the campaign manager, this is where all your various campaigns are. So you can go ahead and create a campaign here and basically use that to search for various domains. If I go ahead and add a campaign here, I can add the campaign here, and basically once I go back and I do my domain search, I can reference that campaign. It's just a way to keep things in order. If I come back here, I can go ahead and search for any kind of keyword. So I put email marketing in here. If you want to see what has been published before or after a certain date, you can put that. That gets more recent results. But the trouble is, a lot of the videos you'll find are going to be quite old, because that's why the domains are broken, right? So you're going to be finding old videos anyway. Let me just search for that. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes to search, so I'll pause the video and I'll come back once I have the results. Okay, so I'm back. That took about 5 minutes. They give me 51 links, and apparently I can get more results, but I'm going to finish at that. And here's the results. Now, the idea is that each one of these videos has some broken links in them. Now, the big issue I see here is that it doesn't tell me what links are broken. So I'm going to have to go into each one of these videos individually and figure out exactly what link is broken. So let's just try a few and see if this is actually working. So this is the top one, email secrets. Obviously a popular video and a well-established YouTuber. Let me pause that. This guy, Wes McDowell, has got 106,000 subscribers. And apparently on this video, he's got a broken link. So if I come down here, he only has two links here, the deep end design, ROI, and this one here. So let's check if these are broken. The only way you know really is by clicking on them. So that's not broken. Click back, let me click on this one, and that's not broken. So that didn't work. That's not broken links, so that's a waste of my time. Let's come down to the second one here, email marketing for beginners. Let me hit that. So this is what it's like, guys. You're going to have to spend hours going through these videos and searching for new keywords. You're just going to spend hours doing this stuff. You might as well just create content yourself. It's going to be less of a waste of time. So this Freedom Influencer guy, he's a really big YouTuber. He's got 386,000 subscribers, and all of these links here are his own website. So there's no way you can use one of these websites and redirect it to your own stuff. I'm sure they're going to be copyrighted. There's no way that he put up with that. So if he has got one of these pages that are now missing, you still can't use this link. So let's just check a few of these. Nope. ClickFunnels. Let's check this one. I'm sure this is going to be the same. ClickFunnels. That one's a Bitly one. You can't clone that. That one's a Facebook one. You can't clone that. And all these are Google links, which again you can't clone because they're all being link shortened. Again, Bitly. What it's probably found is one of these Bitly ones isn't working anymore. That's his own website. All these are Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. You can't do any of them. Own website, own website. So that's two in a row. And guys, I'm going to do a third one. I'm just going to skim down here somewhere and do one at random. What is this one? Slightly smaller channel. Link shortened, link shortened. That's their own website. Let's have a look at that. Working perfectly. Link shortened, link shortened. All of these, you can't get that. That's a Google Cash app. All link shortened. Facebook, link shortened, link shortened, link shortened. So far, I haven't found one that's actually found a broken link. So I'm not going to go and check every single keyword here, but that's told me that it's looked at 51 results and I should have broken links amongst this lot, and so far I haven't. And you know, there's some pretty big YouTubers showing up on here that you're just not allowed to go ahead and pinch their links and start redirecting them. The tactic is very spammy and I don't like it. I think this is a really bad tactic for you to use. If you really want to make money online, you need to think of something different from this. Because at the end of the day, guys, you've got to think about the user intent when they come across and look at one of these videos, right? They look at these videos and they want to learn about email marketing, for instance. They don't want to come over and then suddenly be sent over to your page to randomly go to some webinar or whatever it is you're trying to promote, because that's coming out of the blue to them. You've not done any kind of relationship building before they come ahead and buy anything off you. So it's very unlikely that anybody's going to buy anything. So there's the campaigns, there's the domain search. I don't think that works. Here's the big money pages. So view your money pages. If we go ahead and add a money page, let's see what options we got. So I can call this a name. I've got a pixel code. I can add a webinar. Look, the pre-selected Brendan and Jono's webinar. So this is the high ticket offer they have for you. And you can go ahead and change some buttons, and then that would be your money page. So basically, you're going to pay for domains that you'll end up redirecting towards the high ticket webinar, which is their webinar. So not good. So guys, I'm going to jump off this software now, but as far as I'm concerned, this is worthless. You're going to spend too much time trying to find broken domains, and to me it's not even working, because I've looked at 3 or 4 examples there and I haven't found any kind of broken domains you can use. Because remember, anything that's been link shortened, you can't go ahead and buy that off Namecheap or wherever. You have to have one that's a legitimate domain. And if they're the owner's domains and it just happens to be a page within their site, you can't go start using them. You'll soon run into some trouble. So let's jump back to the actual sales page. Again, they're saying basically that you're siphoning off traffic to your own offers, which you will, which you can, but I just don't like the tactic at all. My own opinion, guys. They're saying you don't have to make any kind of products, and basically the old methods don't work. You create content, website, audiences and social following, you learn new software skills and marketing tactics, and you constantly struggle to get enough traffic. These two are not a minus at all. They're great skills to have, especially in this day and age, to be able to learn how to build a business online. It's exactly what we teach. Don't forget, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and I'm going to teach you how to do these two things in a very painless way. And of course, initially you're going to struggle to get traffic in any business. You need to build it, and over time you'll start getting good traffic to your business. So none of these are negative things, and the people that make this particular product do not use this product to build their business online. This is just a very old tactic that they've rehashed and sold you a very cheap version of to make money. Okay, so this is not something they use to build their own businesses. So guys, again, I look at this income proof, and this is why I always tell you to completely ignore any kind of income proof on sales pages, because they're nothing to do with the actual product in 99% of the time. And I'll just point something else out here to you. I've done it in previous reviews and I don't really like doing it, but it just shows that this is all complete bull. This says that this comes from this product. With high ticket Siphon, it's never been easier to make passive 4-figure commissions. There's the numbers: 593601, $10,223.02. Go back to their last product, which is Beast Funnels, and it's exactly the same numbers. Look, 593601, 10,223. So did this come from this? And it's because this says the exact software has been making us profit like these for months. Beast Funnels, which is this, is a product that makes funnels. It's nothing to do with link jacking. So basically it's just complete BS money proof. So I wish they wouldn't do this, because it's so easy to see, and I just think it's very dishonest, because you, if you are new, are immediately going to associate this earnings from this product, and it's got nothing to do with this product. So guys, this has got a 30-day money back guarantee, so that's a bonus, you know, if you don't actually earn money off it. So you know, you can go ahead and get your money back. And let me just jump over to the OTOs to finish off. The front end is $17.95. OTO 1 is $37, the Pro Edition. OTO 2 is the complete 1K daily system. OTO 3 is limitless traffic, which is putting your pixel on their sales pages. Again, if you're a beginner, you've got no idea what to do with that. You're putting a Facebook pixel, creating a custom audience, and then retargeting that custom audience with your own offers. It's something that newbies have no idea what they're doing. And OTO 4, you can get the license rights to high ticket Siphon. So guys, in summary, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 10. I think this is a product that you just don't need. You're going to spend too much time trying to find anything useful here to actually redirect to your own offers. I don't particularly like the tactic anyway. I think you can get in a lot of trouble if you start trying to pinch other people's links. And essentially, just because of the sales page being so misleading and the financial proof not being real, I wouldn't buy this just on that grounds. But guys, these reviews are based on my own opinions. Feel free to go ahead and try this tactic if this is something that you think would be suitable for you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a real long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.